Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enter prank mode on your earbuds HONOR Earbuds X6. You have to start by open the charging case, and if it's your first connection, these earbuds enter to prank mode automatically. Also after a factory reset, these earbuds enter to prank mode automatically. But we can enter to prank mode manually. So, firstly, your earbud should be inside the charging case, but do not close the lid, just open it. At the back side of each earbud we have touch area right here at the top, right here and right here. And you need to press and hold these touch areas at the same time until you will see the LED light right here on the front side, what blinking blue. White. So I'm going to press and hold it. And now, as you can see, this white LED light here. And also we can see this earbuds at the device list. So we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!